How you doing? Thank you for joining me here at igtoolspro.com, where we're going to go through some new tools that you can get your hands on today and really take advantage of Instagram marketing, and you really take advantage of that bio link, that one link you get, and how you can turn that one link into many with this system, and basically also how you can get unlimited leads to use the link to market too. So it's a two-part system. This comes with two softwares, and we're going to go through how they both work. Now, the first one is, again, as we were speaking on, a link generator. Basically, you can turn one link into many. And I'll give you an example. Here's my page I set up. The system allows you to add YouTube videos, your picture, and many other links. And I'm just going to add another link and show you how that works and how you can put this link into your Instagram bio and really market yourself and take that one link and turn it into, 5 different ways they can see and learn about you. Again, like I say, it's YouTube integrated. You can send them to your blog, your Twitter, your Facebook, or even your Messenger link can be here to really connect. So if you're focused on Instagram, which is one of my best places to get leads, traffic, and engagement, this will be perfect for you. Okay, so let's add another quick link. I already put test in here. I had a YouTube link. I'm also into music and marketing. These are two of my passions, but you can see, you can schedule it, or we're just going to submit it now, okay? And boom, that is in there with our other link. So let's go back to the page. As you can see before, let's reload that. And after. Now I have 2 YouTube videos there. Now you can see this is YouTube integrated, and how you can take that link. Let's get our link. So you get your link here. Okay. Copy that. Let's go to my Instagram. Edit profile. Put that where you get that one link. Let's paste that in there. Submit. And save that. Yep, that's done. Let's go check the page out. Okay, click the link. And as you can see, boom, it takes them to all my links right in my Instagram, okay? So now I can start engaging with one link and take all my followers and traffic that I may gain and new followers and give them a way to contact me and check out my different videos, from marketing to music to my social media to my blog. And you see how that could really help you with your marketing efforts. Now, that's the first half of the system. The second half is, cool, we got the link, we got a mini site basically built into my Instagram now. How do I get new leads with the new updates with Instagram? It's very difficult now to use a lot of automation systems, and you want to be careful to protect your account. So we have a solution here at igtoolspro.com, and with this system, we're going to just go in and do a test on how you can build lists from Instagram targeting any niche. So you can literally create a new list. We're going to do add multiple. We're going to type in dogs, hashtag dogs, and let that load up. Now we have a list of targeted traffic of accounts that has tagged dogs. Okay, so we're going to save that list. Okay, and we're going to be able to contact these people on an automated level. And this, again, is not a spam tool. So you want to promote your products and services and your Instagram account. So imagine if your Instagram account was focused on dogs. Well, you just built a list where you can get other people who you know are interested in the dogs, and then they can come to your account and join you. So let's let that load. That we have gathered the list, we're going to save it now. Okay, that's a lot of people, so let's go all the way down and add list. We named it dogs. That load. And boom, as you can see, we have 891 people we can target already with the dogs hashtag. Now, you can also create message lists. Okay, so those are messages you can create. You can just hit create new list, different list, and then the message, and then you can add a message, as you want, and that way you have a list. Then we have the autopilot. We have the send message feature, and you can pick your account. Okay, you have your options, lists of messages. As you saw, we can create lists, custom text, likes. You can automatically message by hashtag. You can send a photo, video, or post to your followers. There's different ways you can target. User list, following, people who are following. User list you can create, as you saw, and direct contact. And as you can see, you can create your list. We have the autopilot now. Let's go to that tab. And basically, you can create, when new followers come, you can send a message. When they unfollow you, you can send them a message to try to give them a coupon, or to try to keep them, or ask them a question of, why they maybe be unfollowing you. So you can keep track of different things on your account that you maybe can improve on, or, help boost longer retention with the followers, so less unfollowing. Also, new followers when they come, new following when you follow someone, new unfollowing. So as you can see, pick your account, and you can pick either option. You got your message list, and you just add the option for each tab here. Okay, then you have direct messaging that you can do right here. So you can select an account. This is a test account, so all the followers I may have, I can inbox them and message them that way. Okay, so I can just say hello, and that would send that to them directly. You can send emojis, okay, and everything right there, and send a happy face and put that there, and be pretty much good to go, sending that right from your desktop, and which is perfect and excellent for really marketing when you're not on your phone, and you can message everyone instantly while you may be working. Again, this is a tool that really gets you unlimited leads when you're building your list, unlimited ways to contact them, and with the link system, you can see how you can take your Instagram marketing to the next level with the IG Pro tools. And these tools really going to help you take it to a level that's safe and secure and really consistent, where you don't have to ever worry about leads. Again, imagine building the equivalent of email list on Instagram, one of the most, if not the most engaging social media site that's out today. So if you're ready to take your Instagram marketing to the next level, join me. And at this introductory low price, which will be at a limited time, I guarantee you, Once this gets out, people are going to be hopping on. And I want to give those who are taking action first the best advantage with the lowest price right now. So again, go ahead and take this small investment into yourself and take your marketing to the next level with Instagram. This is Greg Z. I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.